Earn cash back every time you shopping online. How? Follow these way. Always start from WOW app. It accessible from your app, phone browser, and or PC. Make sure to using your WOW app account. Click on Go Shop. You'll be taken to WOW app shop partners. Make sure you are on your current location in WOW shop. Each country has so many shop partners. Selecting a partner shop that you want. Read carefully the instruction. Some partners are only accessible through mobile app, only from browser, and sometimes both. Follow the instruction, so your buying activities can be tracked by system. I chose one of WOW app partner shop. I already signed in my account. Just shopping like you doing usually. Finish the payment. You'll notified by WOW app via email about your transaction. These amounts is in WOW coins, will be added on your WOW app earnings. All your potential cash back would be tracked well, then confirmed to be able cashed out later. It is totally simple and easy. You'll be surprised that your every purchasing online will be returned back to you. It's be a benefit for you and others too, which a percent of it also auto-donated to charity. Join WOW app now, through me. You only can make an account through WOW app member.